how to get autoclicker on Chromebook. So if you want to get autoclicker on your Chromebook, then first you just need to simply open up your Chrome browser and then go with the search. And under search, you need to search for Chrome Web Store and go with the first search, which is chromewebstore.google.com, and go with the search and search for autoclicker. Once you've searched, now here you will get all of the autoclicker applications. So you just need to simply go with the autoclicker. For example, I'll be choosing this one. Once you've chosen, go with add to Chrome and then go with add extension, and you need to add the extension to your browser. Now, once you've added, what you need to do is just simply go with the extensions, and here you will have your autoclicker. Simply pin the extension. Once you've pinned, you just need to simply open the extension and you will get this kind of interface. So what you need to do is just simply go with the interval, and here you need to enter 0.3 and then go with milliseconds and go with the click. So if you want the left or right click, so I'll be choosing left, and then the click type if you want the single or double click, and how many times you want to repeat it. And then if you want to never stop it, then go with no or yes, whichever you're comfortable with, and go with the current location. You just need to simply enter your current location, or you can pick a location and you can simply save the settings. Now you just need to simply go with the click counter website, search for click counter, and then go with the click counter online. Now what you need to do is simply press control and then the plus. Now you just need to simply enter control and comma. So once you've saved your settings, you will get the auto clicker on your Chromebook. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.